Greeting my cyber students. This week we will be discussing cyberbullying and the effects it has on its victims, how it's different to regular bullying, and what you can do to protect yourself from cyberbullying. On this webpage you will find resources which will go into further detail beyond this video, and then we'll have an activity and a quiz to complete to assess what you have learned from this week's web session. What is cyberbullying? Cyberbullying includes sending nasty messages or emails together, humiliating people by sending or posting images or videos that may embarrass them, spreading rumours about people online, and creating fake profiles posing as someone else. Cyberbullying can mean different things to everyone, but to define it simply, it's when bullying or any of the above actions are done online. How does cyberbullying affect its victims? Some of the ways it can affect people is emotionally, mentally, behaviourally, and physically. The emotional effects are generally when the victim is feeling humiliated, isolated, angry, and powerless. The mental effects have been known to lead to depression, anxiety, low self-esteem, academic issues, thoughts of suicide, and self-harm. Behavioural changes that might be noticed in a victim of cyberbullying are the loss of interest in activities and may cause the victim to act out in an unusual manner, for example, abusing drugs and alcohol, skipping school, and carrying a weapon because they feel unsafe. Some of the physical side effects which cyberbullying can bring on are gastrointestinal issues such as nausea, diarrhea, stomach ulcers, and vomiting. It can also bring on disordered eating habits such as skipping meals, binge eating, sleep disturbances, which can include night terrors, insomnia, and sleeping more than usual. Now, what makes cyberbullying different to regular bullying? Well, for young Australians who are being cyberbullied, they are more likely to suffer with more extremity than regular bullying, as the nature of cyberbullying is invasive in the aspect that the victim can't escape their bully because it follows them home on their technology devices. It can happen at any time and anywhere. Because technology is used to cyberbully, hurtful messages, harmful images, and rumours are more likely to spread more quicker than in person. Cyberbullying material is such as harmful photos and messages can't be retrieved in the same way that physical material can. So what can you do to protect yourself from cyberbullying? There is no best way to protect yourself from cyberbullying, as each case of cyberbullying is different, but the first point of action to take is to tell an adult or kids helpline. You can report or post the image, keep evidence by taking screenshots of the messages or posts, then make a report on the eSafety website. You can block and report the person, but if all else fails and you feel unsafe, you can get help by calling the police cyber safety department. That's all we have time for today's session. Don't forget to speak up if you're being cyberbullied or if you know someone who is. We can all make a difference if we work together to do the right thing. All links and numbers have been provided if you want to find out more or need to report something you've seen or been a victim to.